update video, and it's Tuesday the 24th of September. Starting with Bitcoin this morning, we're starting with Triangle. It does feel like it's getting to a point now, the action's getting quieter and quieter. This line here is the 10,000 line, the level of 10,000. So you see there have been numerous breaks below 10,000, but each one has been pretty brief, met with by a buying response, and we've got one going on at the moment. I still think the candle I mentioned at the weekend, A, B, C, with smaller D's and E's, seems to have validity at the moment. And we are, as I say, getting closer and closer, homing in on 10,000. And I think the resolution is close. It looks like it's going to move to the upside. We've certainly got a decent correction now since this peak around just below 14,000. It's been on since the end of June, so July, September. A solid 3-month correction now, which is fine in terms of time for the 6-month plus rally we saw from the December low. It's actually quite subnormal in terms of price, which is encouraging. It's being held to within this low here around 9,000 between the 50% level and the 38.2% level. So that's actually a positive sign. It may not feel like it at the moment, but it is a positive sign. But it doesn't mean we can't break lower, but it does look pretty complete now. Let's have a look at the action since this wave C. Right, well, the wave C, this wave I mentioned called D question mark, has got this impulsive third wave quality with a possible 1, 2, and maybe a regular 4, 5. So it could be 5 rows up, followed by an A, press B to there, and a C. This looked impulsive, but got blown away. We had a few buy signals coming in, but it came to nothing. I've drawn in the parallel, the trend lines matching up the triangular type formation that we're seeing at the moment. And it is, you can see that 10,000 is right in the middle of this pretty much. We've got 10.2 at the top, 9.7 at the bottom. So those lines are getting closer and closer. So it's certainly a case that once we break out either way for this triangle, that we're going to see some solid action. It could be a sell-off. I'm more inclined to see a rally coming in. Not much to say really. It's certainly coming to a head. Even if the wave D and the wave E are subnormal in terms of the other waves of the triangle, does match up as so the point is being reached quite soon now, I think. A quick look at Ethereum. So we've now got a 1 wave of the December low, complete ABC2 wave. Let's have a look at the action since then in more detail. We're coming from here, and this could be a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, third wave. Make that a 4, it's too big to be a 4, I think. It may be that the actual low is there for some reason. This is part of a correction. That would be a slightly easier count, I think. So from this low here, we can count a complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the correction coming in. Having said that, if you do include this, maybe it's an ABC, like A, B, and a 5-part C. So a few interpretations there, which I guess ties in rather with Bitcoin. Depends how this pans out. Looking fairly impulsive at the moment, but I think the positives again outweigh the negatives at this point. Right, looking at silver, we've now had the A wave complete and the B wave possibly complete. And at the moment, if C were to equal A, we get a target around 16.3, 0.4, which is bang on the 61% retracement level. So this is my favourite target for this decline to terminate. I say for those two reasons, the Fibonacci retracement and also the A equals C at this point. So that's pretty hunky-dory, I think. So another leg down, which should be contained by that level, I think. And gold is very similar. We have the A, the B, which may not be complete yet, so it could go a little bit higher. but currently that is the B wave peak. Then C would equal around 1455, which with the Fibonacci 61% level around 1451. So moving down to 1450 looks pretty much on the cards here. To complete the move, obviously maybe see what actually happens, but that's my favourite support at the moment. Could we see a bigger decline? It's always possible. Watch these things really, see how it develops. But right now it looks like a corrective move. I guess the only question mark on gold is whether that correction will be big enough to shake out the bullish consensus on gold. But it remains to be seen how it develops. Right, as far as FTSE is concerned, we still have the 5 waves down, still have the ABC, but this sort of sideways action we're seeing is not terribly encouraging for a significant decline at this point in time, but I think there's so much news that could come out at the moment that could just tip things over, but right now not a huge amount to go on. Same on the Dow really. I mean, we have a peak up here, but this looks like an ABC correction, ABC, with perhaps move to new highs now on the cards. Right, that's all today. I think which is useful. Back to report on Thursday morning. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.